Do you dread doing your core exercises, especially if you got to lie down for it and go through all these mechanical movements? Well, I often do. So I just did something fun in front of the mirror the other day, and I thought I'd give this a shot and show you in a video, because it's a bit of a movement improvisation, but it's very active and it's very much focusing on the core, and it involves most of our body parts as well. We're adding them on as we go, but it really also highlights that our movement initiates from the core and how important the core is. And it really does work your core, but it's really, again, about being mindful of our movements as well. So I've got that free reflection tool for you to download as always. It's in the description box of this video, so you can track your body sensations, your thoughts and feelings that you experience before, during and after you do this exercise. I'd also like to urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. And I will take it easy with my arm. I'm still recovering from a wrist fracture that I did while ice skating. And so the cast has come off, but I'm still a bit mindful of that arm as well. And let's get right into it. So as always, let's start with a couple of deep belly breaths. You may wish to place your hands on your belly, or you may wish to leave them hanging to the side, whichever feels more comfortable to you. So we're going to take a deep breath into our belly. Let your belly expand and relax on the inhale. So we're going to, and exhale through the mouth. You may wish to close your eyes as you do this. Another deep belly breath in. And let your shoulders relax on the exhale. Make your exhale longer than the inhale. So we're going to take a deep belly breath. And shoulders relax. You can leave your hands hanging to the side. Let's lift our shoulders and roll our shoulders gently. So inhale and taking your shoulders up. And exhale, rolling them down. And inhale, taking your shoulders up. And exhale. Sensing into your shoulders and how they feel today. Inhale and now gently tilt your head to the side and feeling a gentle stretch in your neck on the other side. Take your head back to the center and then tilt it to the other side. See what that feels like for you today. Sensing into it gently and slowly. Back to the other side. And coming back to the center. One more time. Coming back to the center. And now let's do a semi-roll, if that's available to you today, if that is in your movement range today. And let's do a couple more. And it feels quite nice, I find. I'm feeling the stretch in either side of the neck. Now lifting your head back to the center. Now we're going to take our arms out to the side, and we're also taking a wider stance with our feet. Yeah, so taking it nice and wide, going into our knees as well. And it is a movement improvisation where we are going to add more body parts as we go, and adding those body parts that feel right to you in that moment. So you can follow with me, but I will add those body parts that just feel like they want to come along for me. And that might be different for you. But again, if you feel unsure, you can just follow along with me. So we're going to take our arms out to each side, going side, center, and making this quite dynamic, feeling quite bent in your knees. Doing this and making sure your shoulders are quite relaxed. But as you do this, become aware of your core. And this is a standing exercise, so we won't be lying down at all. And all this movement that initiates from our core, and our core actually helps us feel strong in our body and strong in our mind. So now let's see what body part wants to come along. And for me, it seems to be the hips. So my hips are sort of going along on the opposite side to the arm that's reaching. And it's quite dynamic. I'm already feeling the heat building in my body. And now I'm going to move my legs as well. So I can move them forward a little bit. And again, if you don't feel like your feet want to come along, that's fine. Keep going with what we were doing before. And then we can move back, step back. Keep engaging your core and also being aware of that center, right? And my shoulders want to come along. And my elbows. And my wrists. And we might want to step forward again and back. But again, if you feel that it's too much coordination, you can just stay stationary with your feet planted on the ground. Keep engaging your core. You may also want to turn your body around. And rolling your shoulders, taking your arms down. Maybe exploring that lower level in space. I'm still lifting my feet as well. You can even touch the ground if you like. And coming back up. And I'm still moving my hips. So you can tell it's quite a dynamic and strong exercise. Like I'm feeling the heat building. You may feel your heartbeat raise as well. And you can do this for as long as you like. You can put a fun song on and just go for it. It is really engaging your core, and it's also engaging. I can actually, when I place my hands on the sides of my body, I can feel the sides as well engage. And of course, that part is engaging as well. So you can go for as long as you like. You can put it on repeat. And I will just gently invite you to let this become a little bit slower. And to get less body parts involved. Still shifting my weight a little bit from one foot to the other, but I've stopped moving my feet from off the ground. Still moving my hips a little bit, getting a bit slower. I lower my arms, just doing hips and weight shifting in my feet. And letting this get to almost stillness. How much fun have we had? So much more fun than just doing sit-ups or bicycles, sit-ups. And let's come to almost stillness. See what you're sensing in your body as well. Did it help you feel strong in your body? Did it help you feel strong in your mind? Did it highlight any tension in your body? Were you able to relax any tension in your body? And were there any thoughts and feelings coming up for you? What is it that you need to do for yourself today? The free reflection tool could be useful for that. So just ponder on that. Now let's take a deep breath in, going into our knees and taking our arms up on the inhale. Stretching our belly as we go up, reaching up and lifting our shoulders, and then exhale. Let's do that one last time. Lifting our shoulders deep into our knees. Stretching our butt belly. Oh. And Now, as always, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.